Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I miss you guys so much, like you have no idea. So in this video we'll be doing crochet braids passion twist using some new hair from Darling. Excuse my braids, like I tried doing I did the zigzag method like a week ago, but I couldn't do the video instantly, so I was using these braids to wear wig caps, and before I realized my scalp was growing, so this one is not looking that neat. Please don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me. And of course it's crochet braids, so we're gonna cover it with hair. Who cares? No one will see it, so we're good to go. So here I'm just installing the hair. If you've watched my previous crochet braids video, this method should be easy for you. You just slide your hook through your braids, attach your hair, close the latch, pull it through, and then make a single knot. This one is not slippery, so you don't have to tie it 2 or 3 times. Just a single knot is okay. And then I'm going to repeat the same process throughout the entire head using the same method. Slide your hook beneath your braids, attach your hair, close the latch, then pull it through. Then once you're done, secure it with just a single knot. So once I was done, I gathered all the hair in front to make sure that the front was really full, and then the places where I felt like it needed more hair, I went back into adding more twist to it. So as I'm doing here, I'm just repeating, adding the hair in front of my hair. So all the info about this hair will be listed in the description section, so make sure you check it out. Once I was done, I then went on to spray some hairspray on it to kind of give this hair some shine and also smell good as well. And basically this is the style, guys. I went ahead to do my makeup, lay my edges, and that is it. Alright guys, so that'll be all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed from it. If you want to learn how I pre-made this DIY passion twist, then I'll leave the link in the description or up here. Click on it to see how I was able to come up with these. This video is the installation one, so if you want to know how I did this, then kindly go check that video out. So I bought 2 packs of the new passion twist. That's this one. This is the new passion twist by Darling. I bought 2 packs. It comes in a pack like this. So in each pack you get 2 of these. So 2 packs, I had 4, and then each bundle like this is 35 strand, and in all I used a pack and a half. So I bought 2 packs and I used a pack and a half. This is the remaining of the other pack, and the hair looks full, although the back is not all that full, but that's okay. Later on I'll fill in that. So this is very economical, like passion twist. It's not expensive or anything. If you want to know more about this hair, I'll leave it in the description section down below, or hit me on Instagram if you want to purchase this hair and you can't get it in your location. Send me a DM on Instagram and let's take it from there. I'll get a hair and ship it to you wherever you are, so that you can all rock these braids with me. And the saddest part is this is my last braid for the year 2019, so I'm gonna rock it till December, like somewhere in December, then I just take it off. So far so good. The hair feels so soft and I love the look. It looks like kind of good on me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is Maame Abena. I make beauty related videos and also DIY. This December I'm starting vlogmas, so stay tuned and watch out for me. The moment this video goes up, the next one is a vlogmas day 1, so please stick with me. I'll take you through the room decor, like everything, any outing. Like this is the year of return, so there's so much things to do this December. It's really packed. If you don't want to be left out of this whole fun thing, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and get notified anytime I upload a video. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful, and let's get this video to 1K likes, guys. Like, you can do it. You've done it before. Until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.